you're probably going to go, oh bully, what are you on about? We've been doing that years, Mash. But for those of you that don't know, this is a fantastic hack for getting paid quicker, and it also reduces the chances of a customer being able to use the excuse, I can't find my invoice, the dog ate it, etc, etc. So yeah, this is a real quick, simple hack that can get you paid a lot quicker, and it also reduces the chance of a customer being able to use the excuse, we never received the invoice, the dog ate it, etc, etc, right? If you've got an Apple iPhone, and I should imagine on Androids there's a different app that you can use, but on Apple iPhone, go to Notes or get the Notes app. There it is on my handset there. Click on that, then bottom right corner there'll be a box with like a pen sticking out of it. Click that, then go along, click the paperclip, and then there'll be a list of things you can do. Scan documents. So click scan documents, hold your iPhone or your Android phone over the invoice. That then will scan the invoice, and it will immediately convert that to a PDF, into PDF format. Okay, click the arrow top right, and then there's a little box with an arrow pointing out of it. Click that, and all of your platforms will pop up. So then you can basically email, text, WhatsApp, whatever platform you want, you can forward that invoice in PDF format directly to your customer's handset, and they can't use the excuse we never got the invoice, because it's right there in front of them. And I find we get paid a lot quicker that way as well, because obviously you get people that are away, people are on holiday, and you know, people don't mind these days, they're glued to their phones all day anyway, so they'll be sat on the beach doing whatever, and I would pay that now, you know. So there's none of waiting for people to get back off holiday, using the excuse they've lost the invoice. So it's a very, very simple hack to be able to get paid quicker. Anyway, Friday, gonna get my hair cut. Bulliet.